In today's video tutorial I will be illustrating how to prepare your league setting for customization. Whether your site is new or existing, the following settings will need adjusted. Starting from the home page, let us hover over the main menu item, Commissioner Setup. Now click on the Setup link. We are now entering the Commissioner Setup page. All available settings for the league can be found here. Let us focus our attention to the table on the right side of the page called Appearance Setup. It is here that settings are prepared so we can insert custom files and prevent any conflicts. First, let's click on the images and other URLs. On this page we are able to insert custom created images for league banners and logos. For today's tutorial, we will be scrolling down the page to find Load jQuery Library. Let's set this to yes and save the page. Now we can return to the Commissioner Setup page. Next, let's click on the link called Reports and Security Settings. Scrolling down this page, find the section labeled Miscellaneous Settings. We need to disable Player Links Launch Player Profile Pop-up, use Advanced Editor on League Type in boxes, and allow collapsing of home page modules. After setting those three items to no, save that page and return to the Commissioner Setup page. We are now ready to try out our first custom script. Today, I will be installing the custom player pop-up, created by Habman. Let's go to the MyFantasyLeague support forums. Here on the support forums you can find many ideas for the customization of your league. Don't hesitate to post here, as there is a good community of people willing to assist you. To find the player pop-up script, I am entering coding and scripting chat. Pinned on the top of this board is a thread called MFL Scripts and Add-ons. When we open the topic, we can scroll down to locate the thread we are looking for. There it is. Now I'm heading to get the script we need to copy for our league. After reading the instructions, I see there is a need to have a jQuery library loaded on my site. Since we have already enabled that, we only need to get the script. Let's copy the script and head back to our site. Scrolling down to the bottom on the settings page, I am looking for a table called Home Page Message Setup. Here, the creators of MyFantasyLeague have given its users 20 custom editing areas, so we can load our custom JavaScript, CSS, or HTML. Opening up home page message number 1, I will paste our custom script. Now we give this message a name. I will call it number 1 header. I need to check the box called in header of all league pages, so this script will be loaded for every page on our site. Next we click Update Message to save our work. Now, we can check to see if our script is working. Let's find a page where there are plenty of players. Go to Reports, Players, Projected Stats. Now, we can see that our script has been installed and is working properly. I'm going to click on Aaron Rodgers. Okay, the player news pop-up is working and this is a great addition to my site. Let's add one more script. Remember we disabled our home page modules from expanding and collapsing. So let's go back to MyFantasyLeague forums and get the script for the custom version. Okay, I have found the script. Let us copy and paste this into our league. This script requires it to be placed in a footer message. Going back to our league site. Let's open home page message number 20. Paste our script here. Name this, number 20 footer. Save the work. Let us now go to our home page and see if the script is working. Great. Now you can see our second script is up and running. For the last section of this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a custom HTML table that you can insert on your home page. Here in home page message number 2, I have already created my table. Notice that I am using the same HTML format in which MFL has created their tables from. This is important to do, so we will not have to write CSS for our tables to match the existing styles. Once we have our table named and saved, we need to navigate to Home Page Modules and Tabs Setup. Click on this link. We now have opened up the area where we can customize our home page display. On the left side, scroll down the table called Available Modules. We need to locate our custom table and add it to our home page. Let's save this page and head back to the home page to see if our custom table is showing up. Okay, we see our new table. This concludes this tutorial. Now you should have a basic understanding on how to prepare your league for customization and install some custom content. My next video will explain how to use the Web Developer Console and a neat extension called Magic CSS.